Welcome back. Today we will see the swept command in SolidWorks. Um, Basically, in some software it called as sweep, in some software it called as a swept. In SolidWorks also it is called as a swept command, swept boss or swept base. Basically, what concept behind sweep is we need actually a closed region or profile, and we need at least one path or guide to sweep the profile along with the guide. So that is the basic um, two things we needed for this command. So let's see in the command. I already drawn some of the sketches on the screen. You can see among them one is close profile is hexagon, and I have drawn two different guide paths. One is from the center, one is at the corner. We will see why I draw two different guide paths. So let's go in the swept command. So this is the menu, this is the details. You can see in the swept there is a very simple thing feature they have created in SolidWorks, that circular profile. If you click on the circular profile, it will only ask for the guide. So if I click on this guide, the open sketch, not the closed sketch, open sketch, so it's automatically create a swept of a circle of desired diameter. So we can change the diameter. I say 50, it will make a sweep of 50 diameter. So this is like a shortcut to make the sweep of only circle or something. Okay, this generally we don't use that much, but yes, this is the simplest thing what they have given in the swept. Generally we prefer to have a sketch profile. So in the sketch profile you need to have a one close sketch. So in this case in the blue color rectangle you click, and in this case we have a hexagon as a closed profile. And now you can see it's the pink, it's a path, it's a blue, is a profile. You can see the profile and path. So this is the sweep. You can see it's create the volume along with the sweep. There are plenty of options. If you go in the options, um, just to see that what is the change happening, I just go on the top face or top view, and profile orientation currently is a follow path. So you can see the path is little bit curvature at the end, so the hexagon what you get at the end is normal to the curve, not to the first sketch. It is normal to the curve. If I change, if you want to have both faces parallel to each other or normal to each other, keep normal. So the profile will sweep as it move normally. So if you see now, this is and this is almost on the parallel. So this is the difference. There is one more very interesting feature is twist, profile twist. If I go, currently it's none, so it is there is no twist. You can see in this path, this straight line or is parallel to the path. If I go on the specify twist value, then you have different options. You can specify the value or control in degrees, radians and revolution. So I want to have 0.5 revolution twist. So you can see half 180 degree complete. You see in the front face, you can say 0.25 degree, so it's 90 degree. From this point is moved, same hexagon moved 90 degree to the last face of this profile. So this point is 90 degree to the last one. So this A1 is perfect 90 degree. Then you can also control with degrees. So you can say 90 degree, it was 50 degree. So now this point to this point is 50 degree. So this is some interesting feature you have over there. So it will look like this. So we will see another sweep features. I will delete this. Okay, now again go in the sweep command, select the region, select the path. Now I will go in the guide curves. There is another option over there. You can select the guide curve, another path, another open sketch. So I click on the guide. Now it takes the guide path as another uh, curve or something to make the solid body. So it's actually combining two paths, one is guide curve and path, and making the solid profile. Still you have the tangency type and options over here. So currently is follow path, so your profile is following the path and is normal to the path at that point. If you want to have the keep normal constant, so as per the first sketch you want to keep it for the whole profile, and click on that, it will make it what we have seen before. It will make like that. So it's now is in this normal. If I change it again to follow path, it will turn because the your center main guide path is a little bit of angle on the last side. Then profile twist. Profile twist will be not available but because you have a guide curve for that, so it is the outer profile is controlled by guide curve, so there is no let's say the twist. It will only select the first guide, follow the path by first guide curve, so it's the first guide curve. You can define number of guide curves over there, so whatever twist you want to give, you can put it in the guide curve, it will follow that. So that's the thing. There's also a command is thin feature. You go in thin feature, then it will like a shell, right? Make a shell. It is one that currently I have selected one direction, so it's getting outside mid plane, so it is, as the name suggests, it is in the both side of the sketch. Then two direction, so you have independent control over the both direction. So outside is 3, inside is 1. Now it's okay. This looks pretty nice. Good. I still go to check other things. Mesh preview. You can also check what's the mesh inside the solid body you have created. You can increase. By default is 1. You can increase to see how the profile is created by the software, how they have made the different points and all these things. So you can see it's like a complete nesting or something. You can also have a zebra strips to see how the curves moves, where is the curves and all. I don't want to have mesh preview. So basically I think we have covered almost everything from the sweep command. So I will say okay. Now pretty nice shape. In the next video we will see about the loft, um, how you can do the loft using different curves and different methods. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye.